Hey guys, did you make money from gold today? I'm sure you don't. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you my exact strategy, step by step, exactly how I analyze gold today, my exact blueprint, the exact price action strategy I use to analyze gold and make profit from gold today. So all you need to do is stick around, watch the video to the end, ask your question, drop your question at the comment section below. I'll do well to look into it and answer them. So if you are new to the channel, kindly smash the like button, turn on bell notifications so you will be the first to get notified whenever I drop a new video. My name is Prince and this is Prince Strategic FX. What I do on this channel is teach you guys exactly how I do or how I trade in real time, and I am sure every single person is going to benefit. So I just want to share my knowledge, and I just want every single one of you guys to be financially free. So watch the video to the end, ask your question, and let's get started. Now, here on my chart, you will discover that this is gold and this is my mobile phone. Yeah, this is my mobile phone, as you can see. So this is gold, and what I'm going to do the first is I'm going to zoom out, and I'm going to pick the first candle. I'm going to pick the close and the wick of the previous daily candle, which is this, right? So I'm going to do the same thing to the next one. So I'm going to pick the wick. Yeah, that's it. So I'm done here. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to H4. I'm going to look for the most clean trend line that I can find. The most clean trend line that I can actually see. So let me use this one. So I will use this one. Okay. So I've got the first trend line right there. I've got the first trend line. So I will move again to H1. And here on the H1, I've got a trend line at the top. Yeah, more like a counter trend. So this is it. I've got this trend line on H1, right? Good. Now the next thing I'm seeing is I'm seeing another trend line below. Yeah, I'm seeing another trend line below. But okay, let's use the trend line. Let's use this. Good. So this is the trend line that I was seeing below, and I was contemplating if I should take it or not. But then I think it is better to mark out all the possible trend lines that you can find, because at least each trend line should tell you a story, right? Each trend line should actually give you should be able to pass an information, right? So this is this. Now let's move to 15 minutes time frame, which is the next step. Now here on 15 minutes time frame, I can go to my settings, straight to my settings, and I'm going to turn on period separator. Once I've done that, now you can see exactly where price started today. So let me use this arrow. So yeah, so this is exactly where price started today, right? And we want to spot an entry, because what you can see here is price started here and just push to the upside really fast. You can see move to the upside before dropping all the way down. So now, aside that, I can also see a very strong support level somewhere around here. I can also see a very strong support level somewhere around here, right? So this is exactly what I can see, right? I don't know exactly what you can see, but this is what I can see, and this is exactly how I teach my students. So here, what you can see is very clean, right? So whenever price should come down to this support level, right, we should be able to look for an entry for a buy, very clean, just like that, right? So then we still want to spot a buy entry from here, right? Because this is massive, right? This is massive. For price to just break out from this trend line and push to the upside, just like this, it simply means there is money to be made from here, right? Before this drop, and I can also spot a bullish engulfing candle right there, right? So if I zoom out, you can see exactly what I'm saying. right? So I'm going to move to 15 to 5 minutes time frame, a smaller time frame, and looking at the trend line again. Okay, looking at the trend line again, I can also see I can just see a breakout. Yeah, I can see a breakout clearly from that from that trend line right there to the upside. Now, not just that, I can't possibly find a breakout and retest. So I will move to smaller time frame, like the 1 minute time frame. So yes, I can now see a breakout, but then I can't still spot a breakout and retest. But if I am trading with, if I am using my laptop to do this, yes, I can easily spot a breakout from this, from here. Let me use this. I can easily spot a breakout and retest from here. Yeah, from here. So that is if I'm using my laptop to do this, right? So because there was a clean support right there, price just took out there was a clean resistance right there, price just took it out, bounced on it, and boom, started moving up. So I don't know what you can see, but this is clearly what I can see. And right there should be your buy, right? More like a sniper entry. Should be your buy all the way to the top, right there, all the way. You can see clearly, all the way from here, all the way to this point here, before price started reversing back and downwards, right? So this is exactly what I can see. Now, the truth of the matter is, using this strategy, right? The truth of the matter is, using this strategy, there is more to it, right? There is more to it. There is more, like there are other things, other confluences that you need to attach to this to be able to find all of these very, very easy, to be able to find the entire strategy easy, right? And you can only find all of that out when you join my mentorship, which is coming up on the 20th of September 2025, right? If you jump in early, you should be getting a discount directly from me. But if you're coming in late or immediately on the 20th, you're going to be making the full payment. Yeah. So that is exactly what I want to just bring to your notice. But then you can see this is a clear uptrend. Even without nobody telling you, you can definitely find this as a very, very good uptrend. Yeah. You can find this as a very good uptrend, because for me, I can see price moving just like this. Let me use this arrow again. I can see price moving just like this, right? I can see price moving just like this from here, from this angle right here, from here, right? I can see price just moving upward. Now, if I should pick a trend line from here, put it down here, right? Mark here. So point 1 should be here, point 2 should be here, then all the way to the top. You'll discover that this is finally a buy, right? This is clearly a buy. And where is this buy headed to? Upward, right? Upward. So we should be looking to take our profit from somewhere around here. Let me bring this out. So we should be looking to take our profit from somewhere around there. Yes, right there. So this is exactly what this strategy looks like. Trading gold, right, with your mobile phone. But it is best that you join the mentorship. Now, if you join the mentorship, using this strategy wouldn't be a problem. Yes, it will never be a problem to you again, right? Because there are tools, right? There are tools, softwares that I personally use, because I am going to be sharing them with you guys and also helping you install them on your PCs using your MT5, right? So you can easily spot entries and also make money using this strategy. Now, if you find this video helpful, and if you find it very, very valuable, all you need to do is like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share the video, right? Now, if you want me to make a video like this on volatility 75 and also on boom 1000, kindly turn on bell notification, right? Like the video. Now, if I should get at least 20 new likes, 20 new comments, and 20 new subscribers, now the next video that I'm going to be making will be on volatility 75, and I'll be taking a trade live, so you can see exactly what I'm doing, right? So see you on the next one, and please don't forget to join the mentorship. God bless you.